This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah, today we can go for see that in the last session we have seen that 10 SQL queries, which is related to that EMP and DEPT table. So similarly, in this session, we are going to see that next list of 10 more session. It's like 10 more SQL queries, which is from 11 to 20. So in this session, I listed out all the queries initial itself. I don't want to waste our time. So let's jump into that questions one by one. So the first question we can see that here, list of employees in ascending order by their designation. So how we can get that list of employees, and the employees should be ordered by their designation. So how we can write the SQL for it? Yeah, let's go for see that select start from EMP order by job, order by their job, employee jobs. Okay, I can put ascending order. If you want to get the data in ascending order, put it ascending order. Or if you want to get the descending order, DES, you can put here DESC. Okay, descending order. So let me write this, let me run this query. So run it. So we can get it here. So jobs are in ascending order. Jobs are in ascending order. Analyst, clerk, and president, salesman, like we can get it in a ascending order. If you suppose run it in descending order, let me go for order by DSC. Let me show you that job order by DSC. Select start from EMP order by job DSC. If you run it, the salesman, the job salesman is a first record, and if you go with the end of that, analyst in the list of record, last in the list of records. Okay, this is the way we can get order by class based on job. The second question, let's move into that next question. 12th question, list of the employees who are either clerk or analyst. Okay, what are the employees are there? From that table, the employees job would be clerk or analyst. Who are the employees are working like a clerks and analyst. I want to bring those people into the output. Who are the employees are clerks and analyst. And order by, we need to be order by, we need to get the data order by descending order. I want to get it based on their jobs, based on their jobs. I want to get them descending order based on their jobs. So I can mention it based on their jobs. Okay, so how we can write it? Select star from EMP. I want to get all the employee details, all the employee details, where I'm writing a condition, where condition. So employee job should be where job, job in clerk. The job would be the clerk, or so we can go for mention it clerk or analyst. Analyst, we can mention it job is clerk or analyst. Okay, try to run this until this query. We can go for run it. So run it. We can get that who are the employees. So their job is analyst or clerk, analyst or clerk. So when I go for put it, let me check that clerk is correct, and NALYST analyst is also correct. So we are saying that either clerk or analyst, anyone I want to bring it. Let me check it. Job, uh, let me put it this way. Job equal to clerk. Job is equal to clerk. Delete or analyst. Analyst. Try to run this. Try to go for run this statement. Analyst is not recognized. So let me run this query. Execute select star from EMP. So why we could not find the analyst? ANALYST. ANALYST. Job is correct. So let me put it like this. Again, I can go for write it or job equal to ANDLIST. Try to run this. So little bit the syntax difference is rare. Difference is there for each SQL tools. So here for the Snowflake, we need to be checked the how to write the OR condition. So job in SQL Server we can write it job in clerk or analyst. We can write it job. So how can I go for put it or and here let me put it job equal to clerk or job equal to analyst. Why it's not recognizing analyst only we are getting. Can I run until this? So what would it why clerk is not recognized? Put it the job in capitals. So why execute it? So why I'm getting only two records? Analyst only recognized here. Why? So let me run this query. Select star from. Okay. So CLERK. Yeah, I put it here T. Sorry. Okay. Clerk. See that small mistake make us. So can we see it here now? Whose jobs are the employees? Whose jobs are analyst and clerk? Those are all records we are getting here. Total we have the 14 records. From the 14, 6 members are working like analyst and clerks. Okay. So go for right. Select star from MP where job is clerk or job analyst. So order by job. Order by job and at the same time descending order DES. You can mention that descending order. Run it. So when you say that descending order, what is it? Descending order means the jobs max to min. It's like a clerk first and analyst second. Analyst is the last in the records. Okay. Max to min. Ascending order means min to max. Okay. Now let's go for see that next query. List of the employees who are working for the department 10 and 20. The employees who are working for the 10 and 20 departments, I want to list out those employees. Okay, I need to bring those list of employees. How can you write the select statement for it? Select star from table is EMP where DEPT number, department number in, try to do that 10 comma 20. So in this previous query we make it as a T, right? That's why maybe we didn't get the results. Let's try with in operator here. So it's working fine. Select star from EMP where department number in 10 and 20. I want to get the 10 and 20 department members. So we are getting right. The employees who are working in the 10 and 20 we are getting here. So here where condition, we need to know that how to write a where condition when we have the different multiple department numbers. In operator you can use it. Okay. Yeah, let's move into the next query. List of employees who are joined in the year of 1981. I want to know that the employees who are joined in the 1981 year. So how we can go for write the select statement? Select star from EMP where higher date. So the date field is higher date. We have it here. So higher date equal to 1981. 1981 I can take it. So anyway, it's in year format, right? Can I go for write a year of higher date? Year of higher date. Okay, equal to 1981. Let me run this query. Select star from EMP where year of higher date is equal 1981. So can we see that the employees are hired in 1981. Almost 9 employees are hired in 1981, year of 1981. So this is the way we can get that employees who are hired in 1981. So next query, let's go for moving to the next query. List of employees who are joined in the month of August. I want to bring that who are the employees are joined in the month of August. So the employees list I want to get into the month of August who joined in month of August. Select star from EMP. So in almost these all 15 queries we are getting all the records from the table. Almost select star we are using. Select star from EMP where can we write it month of hire date? Month of hire date we can write it. Yeah, month function also we have it. Month of hire date is equal to month of hire date is equal to, can I put it? So August means 08. Can we see? So what is we have the number is 08. So for month we may get it 08 only. So can I put it like this? Month of hire date is 08. So I don't require to put it single quotations here. Try to run this query. Try to run this query. Nobody joined in the August month. Nobody joined in the August month. Let me check it. Just go for select star from EMP. Select star from EMP. So 11th month, August month means its month number is 8. So 8. So do you have any record in the 8th month? No record is there. I can go for check it 9th month, August, September. Okay, I can go for check it 9th month who are joined in the 9th month. So let me go for run this query. So select it and run it. So we get it 3 records. 3 people are joined in the month of August. Month of August, right? So this is the way we can get it. So who are joined in the month of August. So month function also we can write it here. Next question. So list of employees whose annual salary range between 25,000 to 44,000. I want to be calculate the employees whose salary between 25,000 to 40. First we need to be calculated the annual salary, and we want to be know that whose employees, who are the employees, their salary between 25,000 to 44,000. I want to list out them. So how we can write the select statement? Select star from EMP where uh, so their annual salary, right? Sal multiplied by 12 I can give it. Multiplied by 12 I can give it. It would be the annual salary. For month we have 100 into multiplied by 12. We can get the annual salary between 25,000 and 44,000. Can I write like this? The salary between 25,000 and 44,000. 25,000 to 44,000. Okay, can we write it like this? So try to execute it. 5 rows we are getting. 5 rows we are getting. So better you want to see that sal multiplied by 12 comma. Here you need to be specify that select star and sal 12. Okay. Anyhow we are getting here. See that. So multiplied by 2,850 multiplied by 12. Maybe we can get it more than 30,000. Same 3,000 we have it. It would be between 25,000 to 44,000. So this is the way we can write it and get the whose salaries are between 25,000 to 44,000 annual salaries. Okay, annual salaries between 25,000 to 45,000. Okay, next 17th question. List of employees, those are having 5 characters in their names. Good question. So here we want to identify that whose names containing 5, whose name containing 5 characters. The name should be contains 5 characters. I want to get it into the output. So I want to find out that who are the names have the 5 characters. So let me write it. Select star from EMP where ename. We want to check it by ename, right? Ename. Like operator, we can use it to identify that. Like operator, we can go for use it to identify that whose names have the 5 characters. So I can go for put it single quotations and percentage symbol as well here. Okay, and here I can mention that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I put it 5 spaces? And let me go for run this. If I can run it, nothing we are getting. So let me do one thing here. I can put underscore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The like operator, I'm going to use it when ename like this. Right? So the ename, employee name, have the 5 characters. Almost 11 employees they have it, 5 characters in their names. Okay, out of 14 employees, 11 employees they have it, 5 characters in their name. Okay, so here if you want to identify that, we can use the like operator, the pattern matches where you want to go for do the pattern matches. We can use that like operator, and at the same time if you want to identify that, we can use it in single quotations, percentage symbol, and try to give that 5 positions here, which can be identified that name in 5 characters. Name in 5 characters. Okay, yeah. Next question. List the employee name. Those are starting with S and with 5 characters. The employee name should be start with S. At the same time, in the name they wanted 5 characters. So how can we identify that? So let's go for write a SQL statement for it. Select star from EMP where ename. Again, we can use the like operator. So in single quotations, I put that at the rate. Okay, single quotations, I can put at the rate symbol here. Okay, so name should be start with S. So you need to mention that S here, and it should have that 5 characters in the name. Let me put 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's already starting with S, and we can give that rest of the characters in the name. Okay, let me try to run this. So what would be the output? Can we see it? Can we see it? The name is starting with S, Scott and Smith, and they have it 5 characters in their name. 5 characters in there. This is the way we can go for find out that whose name is starting with S and 5 characters in their name. Okay, next, the next question, let me see the list of employees whose name start with S and ends with H. Ends with H. So how we can identify that? So let me go for write the select star from EMP where ename like operator like, so put it same single quotations. Okay, the percentage symbol and his name start with S and give the number of positions rest of this. Give the S and underscore 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, 4 positions. The last position should be ends with H. The name should be end with H. Okay, can I write it like this? The name start with S and ends with H, and total number of characters 5. Again, you can go for run this. Smith, you can identify with Smith, who's starting with S and ending with H. Starting with S and ending with H. Okay, this is the way we can get it. Next query. List of employees who are not belongs to department number 20. So I want to see that the employees which are not belongs to department 20, which are not belongs to department 20 means which are belongs to department 10 and 30, right? So let's go for write the select statement for it. Select star from EMP where DEPT number not in. Can we use it not in here? Not in operator. So put it is 20 here. So department number not in 20. Let me run this. So try to run this. So not in is not taking by the snowflake. So let me take like this. Department number, this symbol. The greater than, less than and greater than symbol is represent that not equal to. Okay. So try to put it, select, run this. Yeah. Can we see that what are the department numbers we are getting? 10 and 30, 10 and 30, 10 and 30. So now we are getting which are not equal to 20. Suppose if we put equal to, we can get only 20th department data in the query. Okay, only 20th department data in the query. Department number is equal 20. Okay, whereas I can go for not equal to, less than and greater than symbol, you can put it and run this query. We can get it the employees who are not belongs to 20th department. Employees who are not belongs to 20th department. Okay, super. So we have almost given answers for the almost 10 queries, right? Yeah, try to practice this way. You can become a expert in the SQL, and at the same time, you can crack any interview. You can go for crack any interview. Okay, so these are the list of questions for the today's session, and in the next session, we can go for see that another set of questions and what is the answers can we go for give it. Thanks for watching my videos, and please if you like this video, please subscribe and like the videos. See you, catch you in the next session. Thank you everyone.